Hi and welcome back to another Divine Days dance class. Today we're going to be doing Friend Like Me from Aladdin. We're going to be doing a bit of musical theatre, so let's spread out and find a space and get started. So we're going to start, we're going to step one foot in front of the other. You're going to push your arms out onto a diagonal. So go step, push, and you step your feet back together. So step, push. Step together, then we're going to repeat the other way. Step, push, step together. So we'll go step, push, together, step, push, together. Then we're going to go a low V like this, pushing it down again, stepping the foot across, but this time we're going to turn around. So we're bending our legs on that. So step, push, together, step, push, together, step, turn, all the way round, and then we're going to step our legs apart, take our arms up to a V, and then bring them to our hips. So go, turn around, up, down. So we'll give that bit a go with some music now. So it's on an instrumental bit. Step, push, and together, step, push, and together, down, turn, up, and hips. Excellent, so we've just finished going up and then hips. And we're going to do 4 walks forward, bringing our arms up as we do. So nice and bouncy. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you want to end with your feet apart. We're going to do a hip to the side, bringing your hand onto your hip, then a hip the other way, and then you're going to do one last one to the side, but this time bring your arms up high again. So it'll go walk, 2, 3, 4, hip, hip, up, and now you're going to wiggle your fingers down and you're going to wiggle your hips back down. So hip, hip, up, wiggle, and that's for 4. Then we're going to jump our feet together, jump them apart, pull one arm across our chest and the other, so it'll go in, out, pull, pull, and we're going to do a circle with our body and bend our legs round. Big circle. Then we're going to reach up high, the V again, bending down, and come back to the middle with our arms on our hips. So we're going to go in, out, pull, pull, circle, reach up, reach down, and middle. So we'll add that on from the walks. Walk, 2, 3, 4, hip, hip, arms, wiggle, jump in, jump out, pull, pull, round, up, down, hands on the hips. So we'll just try that bit with some music again. So we'll go from the beginning again. Push, step, push, step, low, turn, up and down. Walk, 2, 3, 4, hip, hip, arms, wiggle, jump, jump, arm, round, up and down and middle. So it's up, down, middle, and it says you've got to rub that lamp. So what you're going to do is you're going to step your feet together and pretend you're rubbing the lamp. So you're just going to rub your hands like this in little circles. So you'll go round, and after that we're going to do a windmill to face the side. So one arm and then the other arm will follow behind, and we should be side on. So go up, down, middle, rub that lamp, windmill to face the side. Now we're going to step the front leg forward, bringing our arms up, and then we're going to step it behind and bring them the other way. So you want them to swing. So we'll go, rub that lamp, big windmill, step forward, step behind. Then you want to join your feet together, and you're going to do a windmill to face the other way now. So it'll go step, step, together, windmill, and you'll be side on the other way, and you're going to reach your arm behind you. So it'll go reach, and then it says, you'll never have a friend like me, and you'll point your arms to the front, and then into your chest. So it'll go reach, arms forward, arms pointing to yourself. So we'll go from the walks again. So walk, 2, 3, 4, hip, hip, arms up, wiggle, jump together, jump apart, arm, arm, round we go, reaching up, reaching down, hands on your hips, and then rub that lamp, big windmill, to face the side, step front, step behind, together, big windmill, reach arm out, face the front, friend like me, point front and in. So we'll just give that bit a go from the beginning with some music. So push, step together, push, step together, down, turn, up and down. Walk, 2, 3, 4, hip, 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 wiggle, jump in, jump out, arm, arm, round, up, down, middle, rub, windmill, forward, back, together, windmill, reach, front and in. Excellent, so that is most of the routine. It's almost done, it's really fast. So we'll just try it one more time with the music before we add the last little bit on. Push, step together, push, step together, down, turn, up and down. Walk, 2, 3, 4, hip, hip, arms up, wiggle, jump in, jump out, arm, arm, round, up, down, together, walk, windmill, front, back, together, windmill, reach, point forward and in. Excellent, so we've just got a tiny bit to add on from there. So we've reached and we've gone friend like me. We're just going to do 4 runs back, picking our knees up. So you want to have our hands flat to the side. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving backwards if we've got the room. So we'll go reach, point forwards, point in, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to do a low turn. So we're going to bend our legs, cross one leg in front of the other, bend nice and small. So we've gone run, 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 cross, bend, and then it says whisper. So we're going to reach one hand in a circle, pull it to your mat, reach the other hand in a circle. So it looks like we're whispering. So we'll go 1, in, 2, in. So we'll go from reach, point, in, run backwards, cross in front, turn, big circle to your mouth, other one to your mouth, and then it'll say you've never had a friend like me again, And we're going to jump our feet apart and go, you've never had a friend like me. So you'll point to the front and bring it in again. And that'll be the end of our routine. So we'll go from halfway through, we'll go jump in, jump out, pull on, big circle, up, down, middle, rub, big windmill, step in front, step behind, step together, big windmill, reaching your arm out, pointing forwards, pointing into yourself, running backwards, cross that leg in front, nice turn, reaching round to your mouth, other big circle to your mouth, jumping your legs apart, pointing forwards and pointing in. So we'll try with some music. We'll just start part of the way in to get that last bit on, and then we'll do it from the beginning. And we're gonna roll, windmill, forwards, back, together, windmill, arm, front, and in, running backwards, turn, arm round, circle, jump, arms out and in. Excellent, so that is it all. So we'll try it from the beginning all the way through with music now. Step, push, step together, step, push, step together, step down, turn, up and down. Walk, 2, 3, 4, hip, hip, arms up, wiggle, jump in, jump out, pull, round, up, down, middle, run, windmill, front, back, together, windmill, reach, point, and in, running back, round, turn, round, to your mouth, other one, point and in. Excellent, so that is it all. So I'm going to do it one more time for us to really dance it, and I'm not going to shout over it. So if we find a space, make it as big as we can.
Up your sleeves, you got a brand that never fails. You got the power in your corner now, and the ammunition in your camp. You got to punch the sand and how all you gotta do is up and remember now. Say, Mr. What's your name? What will your pleasure be? Let me take your order, I'll jot it down. You ain't never had a friend like me. Life is your restaurant, and I'm your maitre d'. Whatever it is you want, you ain't never had a friend like me. We pride ourselves on service. We the boss, the king.
Excellent, so that is all for today. So I'm going to leave you there to practice. So please send me your videos, and if you're doing it, I'd really love to see them. And thank you so much for joining with today's session.